Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2018 GMC Terrain. The GMC Terrain combines the benefits of a crossover with the style and functionality of an SUV. Terrain offers uncompromised capability, a balanced stance, and a commanding view of the road, letting occupants enjoy a confident driving experience. And an EPA estimated 32 highway miles per gallon is not bad either. And it's priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 7,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, heated seats, Bose sound system, XM satellite radio, anti-lock braking system, traction control, power passenger seat, navigation system, moonroof. Your new ride is just a phone call away.